You are getting 2 homes on 2 acres with views, 4-car garages for the price of 1 house.
An incredible opportunity packed with perks in the hills of Brush Creek.
People love Brush Creek. It's very private, but you're so close to Aspen. You also are close to Snowmass Village.
The main home features an open floor plan with a chef's dream kitchen, breakfast bar, as well as this charming breakfast room and a formal dining room.
It's beautifully done, from the stone on the outside to the 2-sided fireplace, the bigger windows, custom doors.
Open up the French doors, let in the breeze, and feast on the fantastic scenery from this stunning stone patio.
You have beautiful views of the valley and the mountains.
And you'll love the flexibility this home offers with 2 master suites.
You could have an extended family here with the 2 master suites. You could have grandma or grandpa on the 1st floor, and you could be on the 2nd floor. When you have teenagers, if you want a little space from them, move your master upstairs.
The second home has its own driveway, utilities, 2-car garage, ideal for guests or family, or you can easily rent it out to generate significant income. And this property puts you in a unique position to take advantage of some of the best recreation in the world, with 4 ski resorts all less than 15 minutes away. And premier mountain biking, hiking, and fishing is right out your back door.
Come experience these views. See what these 2 homes have to offer for you. Give me a call and I'll set up a private showing.